Hello guys, I just got out from the shower and this is what I see. Yay, it's raining guys. I'm so excited. I love rains. Some of you guys are thinking it's just raining, what's so exciting in it? But I live in Arizona and it's very rare it rains, that too in summer. It's really rare and it's raining. The day before yesterday, yeah, it's on Monday, it's also rained and dust storm. Oh my god, that was horrible. And today it's raining. I loved it. Oh my god. So yeah guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today is Wednesday, July 11th 2018. So yeah guys, so I'm just cleaning my ears. After taking a shower, it's a must for me to clean my ears. I don't know, it's a weird or it's a thing. If you guys do this, then let me know and comment down below. So yeah, for today's snack I thought of doing French toast, but as it's raining I thought of making pakoras. Being an Indian, it's raining and you're not having a pakoras, that's a weird thing, right? So yeah, that's what I maybe gonna make, onion pakoras. So let's go. Hello guys, so right now it's 9. It's 9 p.m. and I'm gonna make dinner. I'm going to make posto bindi, that is okra with poppy seed and mustard paste, and I'm also gonna make roti for dinner. And I already have dal, so that's what I'm gonna make. So I already soaked some poppy seed into a lukewarm water. Now I'm gonna grind it, and I'm just gonna add 2 chilies into it, and I'm gonna grind it. After that I'm going to add mustard and make a paste. Now I'm going to add this white mustard, like 2 teaspoons, and 1 teaspoon of black mustard. And I'm also gonna add little bit of salt. So yeah guys, we already had our dinner. Now I'm just gonna clean this kitchen mess. and I'm also gonna pack Shomo's lunch for tomorrow. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. I first thought of making it a combined vlog from today and tomorrow, but I'm not gonna do that. If I vlog tomorrow, I'm gonna do it separately. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. If you love to watch my videos, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload, you'll get a notification. So yeah guys, now bye.